Okay, so for this lesson, we are going to be talking about shapes and everything that goes with that. So let's see the first slide. Shapes have sides. So as you guys can see, I have three different shapes right here. And those three different shapes have arrows pointing to where their sides are. So for example, over here on this triangle, this is one side. So we can see that a triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides. And over here we have a hexagon, and again it's pointing to one side, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. And then we have a square over here, and it's also pointing to one of the sides, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 different sides. Shapes also have corners, and as you can see, we also have three different shapes, and these three different shapes have arrows pointing out to them. And if you can see, they're here, that little where two sides meet, that's a corner right there. This is a corner right here, and this is a corner right there. There are some shapes though that do not have sides or that do not have corners, like a circle. A circle is just a shape that has no sides or corners, or an oval as well. And then we have here a crescent. The crescent does have two corners, but no sides. You guys see, sides are supposed to be straight, not curved. There's shapes everywhere. That's what we're going to be working on, making sure we recognize shapes in the surroundings that we have. For example, a cracker is in the shape of a square. A triangle could be a watermelon or a slice of pizza. We have a little birdhouse. It looks like a pentagon. This hexagon over here looks like a jewel. So what we are going to be doing is seeing, where do we see shapes around our home, when we go out to the park, when we go out to the grocery store, where do we see shapes?